Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make a very delicious and very healthy keema and palak. This is super healthy, super easy to make. You can make it in no time and very delicious. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this delicious chicken keema and palak. 2 bunches of spinach leaves. I've washed and chopped the leaves roughly. 300 grams of chicken keema, 2 large onions thinly sliced, 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 bay leaf, 5 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil and salt as required. So I've heated a pan, we'll add oil to it. To this we'll add our onions. Saute the onions for 5 minutes until they turn nice and soft. Alright, our onion is all done, as you can see. So now we'll add ginger and garlic paste. Fry it for a minute. Now we'll add our minced meat. Instead of chicken mince, you can use any meat of your choice. So we'll now fry this for 5 minutes. We'll add a bay leaf and then break this. So I'm adding all these spices except for the garam masala, which I'm going to add in the end. And give it a nice mix. Now we'll add salt. And give it a mix. Now go ahead and add the finely chopped tomatoes. Give it a mix. The minced meat won't take too much time to cook because it's chicken. If you're making this in mutton, you can just add some water and cook on low flame till the meat is done. But here I'm going to not add any water. I'm going to put the flame on low. Cover this and cook only for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm going to check on our keema. It looks yum. As you can see, the oil has come up. This means that the chicken is done. So now we'll add in our spinach leaves. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just keep this lid on. So I'm going to let this soften with the steam and then we'll give it a nice mix. Till then I'm going to keep the flame on high. After 5 minutes I'm going to check on my keema and palak. So as you can see, it's become so soft and now we can mix it very easily. This looks great. So this is now going to leave a lot of water. So I'm going to keep this open. I'm not going to keep the lid on. and let the water dry up. This way we'll get a nice fresh taste of spinach. Now I'll add the green chilies. Give it a mix. Now I'm going to remove these bay leaves. So after 5 minutes of cooking on high heat without lid, I'm going to mix it very nicely. And here I'm having garam masala, which I'm going to add now. Give it a mix. And I'm going to lower the flame and cover this and cook for 5 minutes more on low flame. After 5 minutes, as you can see, as I said, it's going to turn liquidy, watery, but our keema and our palak is all done, and you can keep it as it is, lovely, juicy. This is the perfect keema and palak curry. If you want to dry it, you can go ahead and dry it, but I'm going to keep it as it is. And now I have a bowl out here, and I'm going to serve this. So here you go, our keema palak is done, and I'm serving this with some pita bread. I've uploaded the recipe of whole wheat pita bread. You can go ahead and watch it, and I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share and comment. If you have any requests to make, please let me know. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.